In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install BlueStacks in your device. The first step that you have to do is to access BlueStacks.com, which is this. Now after accessing their site, you have to click the download BlueStacks 10. And as you can see, I've already finished downloading the BlueStacks installer. So just click the open file and then confirm the request for this permission by BlueStacks installer. There, it will load the screen where you have to launch and download the full package of BlueStacks. So just click the continue button or the launch button. And as you can see here, I have already finished downloading and installing BlueStacks on my device. And that's it. It's now loading. And that's how you can download and install BlueStacks in your device or in your PC in order to play games that is only available in Android in your PC. And thank you for listening.